You know Rolls-Royce? The world's most iconic luxury car manufacturer. This company is famous for going above and beyond when it comes to craftsmanship. Take this car for example. Just the woodwork alone took over 8,000 hours to complete. And the entire car? It took 4 years to finish. Meet the Rolls-Royce Arcadia Droptail. The word Arcadia comes from Greek, meaning heaven on earth, and Droptail? That's Rolls-Royce's ultra-exclusive line where every detail is customized by the customer. So far, only 3 Droptails have ever been built, each a unique masterpiece. The first, Le Rose Noir Droptail, the second, Amethyst Droptail, and the latest, the Arcadia Droptail. Arcadia is the most expensive of them all, crafted with superior materials and attention to detail. This one cost more than $30 million, making it the most expensive Rolls-Royce ever made. The car is based on the Rolls-Royce Wraith, which is already one of the most luxurious coupes. But while a Wraith costs around $500,000, this Droptail pushes things to a whole new level. It keeps the same powerful engine, a 6.7-liter V12 twin-turbo, producing 600 horsepower. But let's be honest, that's not why it costs $30 million. It's the craftsmanship. Just the woodwork alone took over 8,000 hours. Every surface, the leather, the dashboard, the door panels, the switches, even the carpet, is handcrafted like a piece of art. And what makes it even more special? Every element, color, materials, textures, was handpicked by the buyer inside this palace on wheels. A rare and costly wood called Santos rosewood was used. One of the biggest challenges Rolls-Royce faced was finding pieces of wood that matched perfectly in grain direction to maintain flawless alignment when installed. That's why the woodworking process took so long.
Another luxurious feature? The bespoke dashboard clock. It's a one-of-a-kind timepiece, created specifically for this car. Even the gauges are handmade, exclusively built for the Arcadia. All of this? Tailored exactly to the customer's wishes. And it took 4 years to bring the vision to life. Over a century ago, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce founded this company with one goal in mind: to build the most luxurious cars the world had ever seen. And even now, more than 120 years later, Rolls-Royce continues to honor that promise.